Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update prototype branding interactions in Figma. Full guide step by step clearly. Open your Figma project and navigate to the prototype you want to update. Identify the branding elements that need revision or enhancement. Select the frame that contains the branding interaction. Double-click on the branding element, such as logos or color schemes. Make any necessary adjustments to the colors, text, or images. Ensure that the new branding aligns with the overall project theme. To update interactions, select the element you wish to modify. In the right-hand panel, locate the Prototype tab. Click on the interaction to view its details. Adjust the trigger, action, or destination as needed. If you need to add a new interaction, click the plus icon. Select the appropriate trigger type from the drop-down menu. Define the action that should occur when the trigger is activated. Specify the destination or outcome of the interaction. Test the updated interactions by entering prototype mode. Use the play button in the upper right corner to preview your changes. Interact with the prototype to ensure the branding updates function correctly. If needed, go back and fine-tune any elements or interactions. Once satisfied with the updates, review the overall design for consistency. Collaborate with team members for feedback, if applicable. Finalize your adjustments and save the Figma file. Export or share your updated prototype as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.